Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how I do acrylic overlays over the natural nail. I hope you like it and keep on watching. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's get started. But first I want to announce that our press-on nails are finally online, guys. Don't hesitate to visit our webshop infinity-inspirations.com to purchase yours. These are a couple of designs, guys, but on the webshop we have a lot of designs more, and also if you want a custom design you can also make that work. And let's start with the video. As always, I'm applying 2 coats of our super bond that is also available on our web shop. I love to use this super bond because I don't get any lifting with this one. I recommend to buy our acrylic system package so you can try it out. And before applying the super bond, I have already removed the natural shine from the nails with my sanding band. And I'm also using our light Salmon and Acrylic Liquid. And because of the built-in primer, it's perfect for chronic lifting. And because it is a overlay, I'm always trying to apply the acrylic as thin as possible. And this is how the nails look after application. And to smooth the nails down, I'm using my sanding band. And now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. When the nails are this short, I always use a old file because I really want to get into the corners to get a sharp shape, and when using a new file you can easily cut your client. And to make sure the nails are straight, I'm always looking at the nails at this angle. And this is how the nails look after filing and shaping. And I always like to clean the nails with some alcohol and a manicure brush. Next, I'm applying the first coat of gel polish. And cure for 1 minute in your LED lamp. And guys, I am so in love with this SUNUV lamp. I am totally in love. The reason why I am in love is because I don't have to worry anymore if the thumb or the pinky are not totally cured. The round shape makes sure that the corners from the pinky and the thumb are completely cured. And you can also see how many seconds are left. I really love this lamp. I will put the link in the description box below so you can purchase yours too. And next I'm applying the second coat of gel polish. And cure again for 1 minute in your LED lamp. And finally I'm applying our Infinity Inspirations Glossy Topcoat. And now I'm curing it for 2 minutes in the LED lamp. And to moisturize the cuticles, I'm applying a little bit of cuticle oil. And this is the final result, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you've learned something. Don't forget to visit our webshop infinity-inspirations.com, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.